In the last video, I explained how to derive reduction formula for tan x raised to n. In the last video, tan x raised to n. What is the reduction formula for tan x raised to n? Tan x raised to n is tan x raised to n minus 1 upon n minus 1 minus integral tan x raised to n minus 2 with respect to x. This is the reduction formula for tan x raised to n. Similarly, we have derived reduction formula for cot x raised to n. Procedure is same. For sin x raised to n and cos x raised to n, procedure is same for reduction formula. For tan x raised to n, cot x raised to n, procedure is same. How do we write? We write cot x raised to n as cot x raised to n minus 2 into cot square x, and cot square x is written as cosec square x minus 1, and proceed, you will get this. And what do we obtain? Cot x raised to n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus integral cot x raised to n minus 2 with respect to x. This was the reduction formula. And you know how to apply this formula, and you have to practice. I left some problems as exercise. You take one more. Evaluate cot x raised to 5 with respect to x. Application of the formula. How do you apply? Evaluate cot x raised to 5 with respect to x. Usually in the examination, question is derive the reduction formula for cot x raised to n and hence evaluate cot x raised to 5. This is the problem we will be asking in this form. Obtain the reduction formula for cot x raised to n and evaluate cot x raised to 5. What is the formula? How do you apply? Cot x raised to 4 by 4 minus integral cot cube x with respect to x. Follow now how to apply the formula. It is therefore minus cot x raised to 4 upon 4 minus, again n is, in this formula you have to substitute n is 3. Cot x raised to 2 upon 2 minus cot x raised to 2 upon 2 minus integral cot x with respect to x. Because n minus 2, n is, you have to substitute 3. Therefore, minus cot x raised to 4 upon 4 plus cot square x upon 2 plus integral cot x with respect to x. And here you know the standard form it is minus cot x raised to 4 by 4 plus cot square x by 2 plus, what is integration of cot x? One formula is log sin x, or it is log of cosec x minus cot x, or log of sin x, because cot can be written as cos by sin. What is cot x? Cos x by sin x, and it is f dash x by fx form. Because if the numerator is exact differentiation of denominator, integration is log of denominator, log sin x plus c. Follow now how to apply the formula. So tan x raised to n and cot x raised to n, procedure is same. Next is, I leave this as exercise. Evaluate cot x raised to 6 with respect to x. Only substitution type, n value you have to substitute. Next is reduction formula for integral sec x raised to n with respect to x. Integral sec x raised to n. Say formula for or derivation for reduction formula of sec x raised to n and cosec x raised to n are same or similar there. The procedure is similar. We write sec x raised to n as sec x raised to n minus 2 into secant square x dx. Therefore, sec x raised to n minus 2 into secant square is 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x. It is therefore sec x raised to n minus 2 into tan square x plus secant x raised to n minus 2 with respect to x. Correct? So it is sec x raised to n minus 2 into tan x. How do you integrate? No, we will not get the formula here. Sec x raised to n minus 2 into secant square x, but here we have to apply by parts. In this step we have to apply by parts. Sec x raised to n minus 2 into secant square x, use integrate by parts. Integrate by parts. This is the procedure. Sec x raised to n, cosec x raised to n procedure same. Sec x raised to n is written as sec x raised to n minus 2 into secant square x. Now integrate by parts. First function, you know what is the rule of integration by parts. First function is sec x raised to n minus 2 integration of secant square x minus integration of secant square x into d by dx of sec x raised to n minus 2 with respect to x. This is called integration by parts. Now this secant square x integration is standard, it is tan x. Secant square x integration is tan x minus integration of tan x. What is sec x raised to n minus 2 differentiation? N minus 2 sec x raised to n minus 3 sec x into tan x with respect to x. See the differentiation. Sec x raised to n minus 2 differentiation is n minus 2 sec x raised to n minus 3 sec x into tan x. So tan x sec x raised to n minus 2 minus n minus 2 integral sec x raised to n minus 2 into tan square x dx. Verify this step, it is correct, no? N minus 2 common, tan x into tan x, sec x raised to n minus 3 into sec x is sec x raised to n minus 2. Now one more step left here. We reduce tan square x into, we write that as tan x sec x raised to n minus 2 minus n minus 2 integral sec x raised to n minus 2 into tan square x is secant square x minus 1 with respect to x. So how we have started here? We have written sec x raised to n as sec x raised to n minus 2 into secant square x, and we have integrated by parts. Integrated by parts. It is therefore tan x sec x raised to n minus 2 minus n minus 2 sec x raised to n dx plus n minus 2 integral sec x raised to n minus 2. Say minus n minus 2 into sec x raised to n, it becomes minus of minus plus n minus 2 secant square x dx. Therefore now we transpose this to left hand side. Integral secant x raised to n with respect to x plus n minus 2, is it n minus 2? Yes, n minus 2 integral sec x raised to n with respect to x is. This is the last step. We have to finally solve for integral sec x raised to n, because one more term we have obtained sec x raised to n. This we have started from this. So we transpose this to left hand side. Is tan x sec x raised to n minus 2 plus n minus 2 sec x raised to n minus 2. Therefore n minus 1 integral sec x raised to n dx is equal to this. How to simplify this? How to add sec x raised to n common? 1 plus n minus 2. What is 1 plus n minus 2? N minus 1. Therefore integral sec x raised to n with respect to x is tan x sec x raised to n minus 2 upon n minus 1 plus n minus 2 by n minus 1 integral sec x raised to n minus 2 with respect to x. Now this serves as a reduction formula. Why it is a reduction formula? because it expresses sec x raised to n in terms of n minus 2 degree less. So the integral of given function is expressed in terms of simple sec x raised to n minus 2 degree less. Therefore this serves as a reduction formula. I think you followed derivation. Cosec x raised to n is exactly similar. What you have to do? Write cosec x raised to n minus 2 into cosec square x and apply by parts. I leave that as a exercise. Similarly, reduction formula for integral cosec x raised to n with respect to x. Reduction formula is, it is similar to that sec x, but we get minus cot x cosec x raised to n minus 2 upon n minus 1 plus n minus 2 upon n minus 1 integral cosec x raised to n minus 2 with respect to x. Please try this as exercise and you will get, you refer that derivation of integral sec x raised to n. This is exactly similar. Cosec x raised to n is exactly similar. I leave this as exercise. Now I consider some standard problem here that may be asked in the examination for 5 marks. Problems are, I take one by one. If In is 0 to pi by 4 tan x raised to n dx, show that In plus In minus 2 is 1 upon n minus 1, and hence evaluate I5. Evaluate I5. These are some standard problems. I consider some 5 or 6 problems are there. They are important in the sense of examination point of view. They are important. In the university examination, in the previous exam, they have been asked in the examination. Now, what is given here? In is 0 to pi by 4 tan x raised to n. So, In is 0 to pi by 4 tan x raised to n. We write this as 0 to pi by 4 tan x raised to n minus 2 into tan square x dx. This is the procedure. Tan x raised to n minus 2 into tan square x. First we reduce this formula. In means definite integral 0 to pi by 4. So it is 0 to pi by 4 tan x raised to n minus 2 tan square x. What is next step? 0 to pi by 4 tan x raised to n minus 2 secant square x minus 1 with respect to x. So 0 to pi by 4 tan x raised to n minus 2 secant square x minus 0 to pi by 4 tan x raised to n minus 2 with respect to x. I think all followed this. There is no difficulty in this step. Straightforward step there. I have taken tan x raised to n as tan x raised to n minus 2 tan square x, just as in the reduction formula of indefinite tan x raised to n, but only difference is 0 to pi by 4 is there. Now secant square x minus 1, this tan square x is written as secant square x minus 1, now multiplied here. Now first integral is fx raised to n f dash x form. First integral is f of x raised to n f dash x. What is fx? Tan x. Fx raised to n f dash x. What is the integral of fx raised to n f dash x? Fx raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. N plus 1 upon n plus 1. Therefore, tan x raised to n minus 1 upon n minus 1, limit is from 0 to pi by 4 minus, say, in terms of our notation, if In is 0 to pi by 4 tan x raised to n, what is 0 to pi by 4 tan x raised to n minus 2? In minus 2 it is. Minus In minus 2. Therefore, in is now take the limit. When x is pi by 4, tan pi by 4 is 1. So 1 upon n minus 1. X is 0, it becomes 0. So only 1 upon n minus 1 minus in minus 2. So in plus in minus 2 is 1 upon n minus 1. Transposing. In plus in minus 2 is 1 upon n minus 1. This is the first part. And hence evaluate I5. Hence evaluate means you have to make use this as a recurrence formula. I5 means in is therefore 1 upon n minus 1 minus in minus 2. I refer this one. This is a standard problem. First part we have derived. To evaluate I5, I refer this. In is 1 upon n minus 1 minus in minus 2. Therefore, I5 is 1 upon 4 minus I3. Therefore, 1 upon 4 minus, what is I3? Again same formula, you have to substitute n is 3. 1 upon 2 minus I1. Therefore, 1 by 4 minus 1 by half is minus 1 by 4 plus I1. Minus 1 by 4 plus, what is I1? 0 to pi by 4 tan x. Tan x. Because in is 0 to pi by 4 tan x raised to n. What is I1? 0 to pi by 4 tan x. So you have to evaluate. You have to find the value of 0 to pi by 4 tan x. Minus 1 by 4 plus, so I take integral tan x. What is integral tan x? Log of sec x. Integral tan x is log sec x or log of sec x plus tan x. Multiplies log of sec x plus tan x, yes. Or it is sin by multiply and divide by sec x. How to evaluate this? Integral tan x is integral tan x into sec x upon sec x dx. And it is f dash x by fx form. If the numerator is exact differentiation of denominator, what is the integration? Log of denominator. So 0 to pi by 4 log sec x is, tan x is 0 to pi by 4 log sec x. So it is log of sec pi by 4 minus log of sec 0. What is sec pi by 4? Sec pi by 4 is root 2. So log of root 2 minus log of 1. Log of 1. Sec 0 is 1. But log 1 is 0, therefore it is log root 2, but it is 1 by 2 log 2. How it is 1 by 2 log 2? Because it is log of 2 raised to half. Log of 2 raised to half. And what is log m raised to n? N log m. So minus 1 by 4, 1 by 2 log 2. This is I5. I think I followed this solution. Problem was not so difficult. First part, it is like a reduction formula. Second, we have derived from that result what is the value of I5. Next is, if in is 0 to pi by 3 tan x raised to n, 0 to pi by 3 it is tan x raised to n, show that n minus 1 in plus in minus 2 is equal to root 3 raised to n minus 1. Root 3 raised to n minus 1. Instead of pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4, we have 0 to pi by 3. So it is exactly similar to that above problem. I leave this as the exercise. Exercise it is. Next problem. If in is 0 to pi by 4 tan theta raised to n d theta. N is a positive integer. Prove that n into in minus 1 plus in plus 1 is equal to 1. A standard problem again. Is it similar to that problem? First one. First means before this I have taken the problem 0 to pi by 4 tan x raised to n. In plus in minus 2 is 1 upon n minus 1. 1 upon n minus 1. It is exactly same. But here in minus 1 and in plus 1 are connected. So first part is, or you have to take in is 0 to pi by 4 tan theta raised to n. It is given. Therefore in plus 1 you have to start with in plus 1. 0 to pi by 4 tan theta raised to n plus 1 with respect to theta. So you have to start with in plus 1 now. See, the first problem is different. There we have connected in and in minus 2. But here we connect in and in plus 1. So I will start with in plus 1. It is therefore 0 to pi by 4 tan theta raised to n minus 1 into tan square theta. N minus 1 is n plus 1 is written as n minus 1 plus 2. Therefore 0 to pi by 4 tan theta raised to n minus 1 into secant square theta minus 1 with respect to theta. Secant square theta minus 1 tan square. So 0 to pi by 4 tan theta raised to n minus 1 secant square theta minus 0 to pi by 4 tan theta raised to n minus 1 with respect to theta. It is, as in that problem, it is fx raised to n into f dash x. Fx raised to n into f dash x. What is the integration? Tan theta raised to n upon n 0 to pi by 4 minus in minus 1 it is. In minus 1. Because since we have taken 0 to pi by 4 tan theta raised to n as in, it is in minus 1. And for first one, it is fx raised to n into f dash x form. So fx raised to n upon n plus 1 by n plus 1. It is 1 upon n tan pi by 4 raised to n minus tan 0 raised to n minus in minus 1. Now it is 1 upon n because tan pi by 4 is 1, tan 0 is 0. Tan 0 is 0. Minus in minus 1. Therefore in plus 1 plus in minus 1 is 1 upon n. Or finally in plus 1 plus in minus 1 into n is equal to 1. Again, problem is a standard problem. It is. I think all have followed the solution. And the very first step is important here. What you have to take and which rule of integration is to be applied. That is important. Next problem is, if in is 0 to pi by 2 x raised to n sin x with respect to x, n is greater than 1, then prove that in plus n into n minus 1 in minus 2 is n pi by 2 raised to n minus 1. Again, see this problem. In is 0 to pi by 2 x raised to n sin x and n is greater than 1. Then prove this. Now it is obtained directly by using integration by parts. First take x raised to n as first, sin x as second, because usually we use or we give the preference in this order. I told in the beginning of the topic. How to choose first and second function? In the product of functions, we have to give the preference for first and second in this order. I, L, A, T, E. Here what are the functions? Algebraic and trigonometric. Algebraic comes first, then trigonometric. So this is first, second. How to apply by parts? In is first function. Integration of sin x is minus cos x from 0 to pi by 2 minus integration of second minus cos x differentiation of first n x raised to n minus 1 with respect to x, limit is 0 to pi by 2. I think you followed this. How to apply by parts? First function. What is integration of sin x? I have written directly here, minus cos x, limit is from 0 to pi by 2 minus 0 to pi by 2, definite integral it is. Integration of second, this repeats here, the integration of second, differentiation of first. Now if you take pi by 2, because of cos pi by 2 is 0, it is 0, minus value of this when x is 0 means because of this it is 0, totally it is 0 plus n 0 to pi by 2 x raised to n minus 1 cos x dx. Again you have to apply by parts. Again apply by parts. What do you get? First function x raised to n is multiplied here. First function x raised to n minus 1 sin x from 0 to pi by 2 minus integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x into differentiation of x raised to n minus 1 x raised to n minus 2 with respect to x. I think formula application of that integration by parts is important. I think you followed this. How it is applied here? First function integration of cos x is sin x minus integration of cos x sin x differentiation of first. Limit is 0 to pi by 2, definite integral it is. So n, take pi by 2 first. What is sin pi by 2? 1. So pi by 2 raised to n minus 1 minus sin 0 is 0. Correct? Sin 0 is 0 plus minus or minus it is minus n minus 1 integral 0 to pi by 2 x raised to n minus 2 into sin x with respect to x. I finish in next 2-3 steps here. It will be completed. It is n pi by 2 raised to n minus 1 minus n into n minus 1. It is in minus 2 in terms of our notation. In minus 2 it is. Correct? Therefore, in plus n into n minus 1 in minus 2 is n into pi by 2 raised to n minus 1. Here the steps were very straightforward. I have directly integrated by parts. Nothing is done here. Integrated by parts, and the limits how to take is also important. 0 to pi by 2. With this problem I conclude. Next video I solve some more examples, and next topics reduction formula will be completed. Okay, thank you.